Assalamu-alaikum everyone, my name is Muhammad Usman Akram, and in this video you will learn how to create a video play button in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. First of all, create a new document. Now go to the shape tool and build a shape of circle. Now increase its stroke to 11. It's looking better and more visible. Now again go to the shape tool and press the star tool. Now click anywhere on the document. Now select the points which you want. I want 3 points for triangle shape and press OK. Now resize it. Now rotate it and centrally align it. Now go to the direct selection tool. Here you will see 3 dots on every edges of this triangle. Select one of them and round it. Fill it with any color you want. See this? We have simply and quickly create a video play button. You can also change its color any color you want. Just like red color, change its color to the white. I am changing its color to the white. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel so you will never miss any my future tutorial videos. Allah Hafiz.